Hello, Pratik. Nice to see you
Yeah,
finally. We just found out it's the first time we see each other, actually. Maybe you, first of all, you introduce yourself. Tell us what you're doing, who you are.
yeah. Thanks, Tamo. Nice to see you as well. Yeah, I will go on and introduce myself. Uh, yeah, myself Pratik. I'm staying in Pune, India. I've been in working as a software engineer for around 8.5 years now. Yeah, I'm based out of India. My most of my experience is into web development, right? So I've been working as a full stack developer. I'm working at around close to now four organizations like Wipro, IBM, Volkswagen, and currently working in FIS Global. My core stack includes Angular, Node.js, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Yeah, so yeah, that's mostly it
Okay,
about.
great. And Pratik, let's just jump straight in. Why did you decide to look for jobs in Germany, and why did you decide you want to move here?
Yes, yeah. So in my tenure, I've been to Germany for a short while, for about 1 to 2 months. And yeah, as I was there, I quite liked Germany, the standard of living there, the environmental conditions, and mostly the work-life balance that I saw there. So yeah, I thought that the personal life is pretty much good in Germany, the holidays and then the labor laws. So everything, because of that, I look like I should look for a job in Germany.
Okay, and what did you do next? How many times did you apply for jobs in Germany before you started working with us, and how did it went?
So yeah, so before I found you guys, like 1 year before that, I was searching for a job in Germany through various mediums, through Honeypot, through LinkedIn. I tried, even I got a few other counselors like you who took money from me, but then yeah, they didn't arrange interviews to me. And then yeah, after like 1 years of hard work, I finally found you guys on LinkedIn. And yeah, after that, I think we all know it went well after that.
Okay, and what made you decide to sign up for our personal coaching program?
Yeah, I mean, the initial interview with you, it was like very convincing for me to indulge the money with you. And the prime thing which because of which I signed up for you is the fact that so yeah, applying for jobs in Germany, it's a pretty hectic process because I've gone through it. Like complete day I was giving to just apply for one particular job, and I was getting rejections for that. So with my hectic work, I was not able to give time to apply for the jobs. So yeah, so you guys said that you would be applying jobs on my behalf. So yeah, that was the thing because of which I majorly decided to go and find a job in Germany. Yeah.
Okay, and what was your biggest concern before you started working with that, or even fear?
Yeah, the fear was I will give the initial installment and then I will not get any interview calls. Getting scammed, basically. That was my biggest fear.
Okay, that was not the case, obviously.
Obviously.
And like, do you remember when did you sign up, and what did we do with you then? Do you remember the process?
I think around April we had an initial discussion, if I remember. And yeah, you briefed me about the process, that how do you guys go about it. So yeah, you briefed me about the process initially, and then 1 month I think we spent in the resume building itself.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, around 1 month we spent in the resume building. Before that, I made half of my first installment. Yes, and once the resume building was done, then I think we started applying for the jobs after that 1 month.
Okay. And what happened after we applied for jobs?
Yes. So when the resume was created completely, after like 1.5 months, you started applying for the jobs, and then immediately in 1 week, I got close to 4 interview calls. That's what happened. And then yeah, I was giving those interviews, and out of those four, I was able to convert one in just 1 week's time. So I think I had the offer in like one week's time itself,
Okay.
and then went on to get more offers as well. But yeah, with the first offer I got in like 1 week's time. Yeah.
And what did we do with you before the interview calls?
Yes, yeah. So before the interview calls, I mean, you had briefed me about how to go for the interview, what to say, what not to say, and yeah, what questions should I be expecting in the initial screening round, and what are the answers expected. So yeah, that helped me quite a lot, because initially, before enrolling with Find a Job in Germany, I had attracted to calls, but then I was rejected in the initial screening round, as I was not aware that how the German recruiters expect me to answer. So yeah, you guys helped me in what questions to expect and what to answer, and that helped me. So yeah, I went on to clear all the screening rounds which I attended.
Okay, so how did you experience the coaching process?
Yeah, I mean, the coaching process is really wonderful. I think you guys are pretty professional with what you do, and yeah, and you mean everything you say. That's the best thing I like about you. And yeah, you guys have workflow of setup. Like initially, it will be the resume building, then it will be the interview process, and then later on, it will be the visa process. So yeah, that workflow is also, it's like very professional, and I quite like the way you guys are functioning.
Cool. And was there anything what you find particular helpful, or what was your biggest learning when working with us?
Yes. So the biggest learning that I found was, yeah, I mean, we are like, yeah, technically we are all talented. Technical skills, we are like up to the mark. Yeah, as far as we think. But then when it comes to the German market, it's a completely different ball game. Okay. So yeah, when it comes to even resume building, attracting the recruiters to get a view on your resume, what kind of questions they ask, what kind of answers they are expecting, it's a altogether different ball game. So yeah, it's a very good learning which I got from your end, like how to approach the German companies and the German recruiters, and how to approach for finding a job in Germany. That's the biggest learning.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, actually, I had a look at the dates, and in your case, it was really a smooth process. The first session was on the 7th of April. I think
Okay.
then you went for holidays for a few days, and
Exactly.
we finalized your CV on the 27th of April, and
Exactly.
you got your offer on the 12th of May, actually. So it was
Uh,
a really fast process. Yeah.
yes. It was a
Do you
really fast.
do you think you would have landed a job in Germany that fast without our support?
No chance at all. I don't think so. No chance, because yeah, I was toiling hard since 1 year, as I've already told you. So I don't think I had any chance.
Okay, great. Is there anything you want to share with other job seekers, other software developers who want to land a job in Germany?
Uh, yes. So yeah. So one thing I would like to share is when you land the interview call with the German company, make sure you proper research that company, and also had a proper research about the person who is going to take your interview. So if you mention something which is related to their company, it could be the numbers or the post that the individual is having. It actually impresses them quite a lot. That is one thing. And yeah, be prepared with the scenarios. So the interviews in Germany are quite different to back in India, or I'm not sure about any other country. It's just not a technical round of like question and answers. It's pretty much scenario based. So they will give you different tricky scenarios, and then you have to walk them through the scenarios. And if you don't know something, yeah, just simply you can say that yeah, you're not sure about that, rather than faking an answer. So yeah, it's fine if you don't know something, you can admit it. So yeah, these are something I'd like to share.
Thank you. And last but not least, what will be the process for you now in the next months? I think you starting your new job in July. Is that correct? Or tell us what are the next steps for you?
Yes. Yeah. So the company wherein I have landed an offer, so I would be starting with them from like 7 July. Initially, it's a lockdown, and the embassies, we are not getting appointments in embassies as well. So initially, for 3 months, they have asked me to work from India itself. And yeah, after 3 months, they will also look at my performance and all, and then they will call me back in Germany.
Okay, cool. So you will be probably landing in Germany in September somewhere, yeah?
Yeah, somewhere around September.
Okay. That is great. Pratik, again, many thanks. It was a pleasure working with you. I wish you all the best, and we still keep in touch for any questions you have when you come to Germany and so on. And it would be great to finally meet you also in person when you arrive in Berlin.
Sure. Yeah, same from my side. I'm very thankful to you guys. I'm thankful that I found you guys. And yeah, because of you, I was able to land a job in Germany, which is like a dream for many Indians. And so yeah, really thankful to you for that.
Thank you. That's a pleasure.
Yeah.
Okay, all the best, Pratik. Bye-bye. Take care,
Bye bye.
and we
Thank
speak
you.
soon.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.